What if I told you could trade gold, Forex, and US stocks using the same USDT sitting in your crypto wallet without opening a traditional brokerage account, without switching platforms, and with leverage up to 500x? That's exactly what Gate TradFi lets you do. Today we are diving deep into Gate TradFi. If you have been trading crypto and wondering how to diversify into the traditional markets like stocks, Forex or gold without the hassle of traditional brokerage, this video is for you. By the end of this video, you are going to understand what exactly TradFi is and how it differs from crypto trading, what assets you can trade, the fee structure, and most importantly, the risk you must be aware of before putting your money at risk. But first, if you don't have an account on Gate, I'll leave a link in the description of this video. Make sure you use the link to sign up and get exclusive welcome bonus worth up to $10,000. So what is Gate TradFi? Let me break it down for you. TradFi stands for traditional finance, and Gate TradFi is Gate's revolutionary product that brings traditional finance markets directly into your crypto trading application. We are talking about assets like Forex, precious metals, stocks, individual stocks, and commodities. Now, here is where it gets more interesting. You are literally not buying these assets directly. Instead, you are trading CFDs, which is short for contract for difference. Think of CFDs as agreements to exchange the difference in asset price from when you open a position to when you close it. If you predict the price goes up and it goes up, you profit. If it goes down, you lose money. It's pure speculation, which means you don't own the underlying stock, gold bar, or currencies. And why is this powerful? 1. Unified account. You use USDT from your crypto wallet, which means you don't need to open a traditional brokerage account. 2. One platform. Everything happens inside the Gate app. No switching between different platforms. 3. Instant settlement. Transfer USDT to your TradFi account within seconds without conversion fees. 4. High leverage, up to 500x on Forex and indices and 5x on stocks. And number 5, extended trading hours. While most brokers limit you to 8 hours a day, Gate TradFi offers 245 trading from Monday midnight to Friday night. This is a game changer for me and other crypto traders who want exposure to the traditional market without leaving the crypto ecosystem. So now let us talk about how Gate TradFi works. And first, we want to talk about the USDx system. When you transfer your USDT to your TradFi account, it gets converted to something called USDx. Now, you don't have to panic. USDx is not a new cryptocurrency, neither is it a stable coin. It's simply an accounting unit that Gate uses specifically for TradFi products. Here's how it works. USDx is pegged 1:1 to USDT, and your asset remains 100% backed by USDT. No manual conversion required and no additional fees for holding USDx. When you transfer back to your main crypto trading account, it gets converted to USDT instantly. So you have to think of USDx as a display currency for your TradFi balance. So behind the scenes, it's still your USDT, but it's displayed as USDx to separate traditional finance trading from crypto trading. Now let's look at the key differences between crypto futures and TradFi. Unlike crypto perpetual futures on Gate, TradFi contracts follow traditional financial market rules. Fixed trading hours. Market opens and closes based on traditional market hours. Monday to Friday with closure on weekends. Fixed leverage. You cannot manually adjust leverage. It's preset for each asset. 500x for Forex and indices and 5x for stocks. Cross margin model. All your TradFi position share the same margin pool. Long and short position on the same pair can hedge each other. Overnight fees. If you hold your position overnight or through the weekend, you'll be charged overnight financing fees, just like the traditional CFD markets. Counterparty pricing. Profit and loss are calculated based on counterparty prices and not exchange prices. This structure mirrors mainstream CFD platforms, making it familiar for traders coming from traditional finance while keeping it simple for crypto natives. So now let's talk about what you can actually trade on Gate TradFi and what leverage is available for you. You can trade Forex, which is short for foreign exchange. And major pairs are Euro USD, GBP USD, USD JPY, and USD CHF. Exotic pairs USD NOK, USD ACK, and more, with leverage up to 500x. And the Forex market is the most liquid market in the world, with the daily trading volume of $7.5 trillion. You can also trade precious metals like gold and silver with leverage up to 500x. And this is perfect for hedging during geopolitical uncertainty. You can also trade stock indices, which is Nasdaq, SP 500 with leverage up to 500x. So this allows you to bet on the overall US stock market without picking on individual stocks. You can also trade individual stock of tech giants like Apple, Microsoft, Nvidia, you can name it, as well as growing section of popular US equities with leverage up to 5x. So this allows you to trade your favorite stocks without a US brokerage account. You can as well trade commodities like crude oil, natural gas with leverage up to 20x on Gate TradFi. So this allows you to diversify into the energy market. And guess what? Gate specifically curates these assets for crypto traders, focusing on mainstream instruments that crypto users are most interested in. Gate regularly expand the list based on user demand. Let's talk about cost, because fees can eat into your profits if you are not careful. First, let's talk about trading commissions. Gate TradFi has a transparent and competitive fee structure. Commission starts as low as 0.018 per trade. For most assets, you are looking at fees between 0.018 to $6 per lot, depending on the instrument. On Forex, approximately $6 per lot. Stocks, minimum of 20 cents per order and typically 2 cents per lot. Here are the additional costs to consider. Overnight financing fees. If you are holding trades overnight or through the weekend, you will pay a small fee. This is standard in CFD markets and represents the cost of borrowing to maintain your leveraged positions. Now let's talk about spread, the difference between buy and sell price. This is built into pricing and varies by asset and market volatility. So how does this compare? Compared to traditional brokers, Gate TradFi is extremely competitive. Many traditional CFD brokers do charge higher per trade commissions, wider spreads, account maintenance fees, inactive fees. Gate TradFi has none of these extra costs. You only pay when you trade and when you hold positions overnight. So now let me show you step by step how to trade on Gate TradFi. So the first thing we want to do is to transfer USDT to our Gate account. So all you have to do is to either open your Gate app or you can use the web version. Then you navigate to where we have futures account or unified trading account, and then you click on transfer. Then you select TradFi account as the destination where you want to send the USDT. Enter the amount of USDT you want to transfer, and this is actually going to be confirmed within 10 to 15 seconds. So the next thing you want to do is to choose your trading pair. In the TradFi section, browse available assets. You will see tabs for Forex, metals, indices, stocks, and commodities. So let's say you want to trade gold, which is XAU/USD. Click on it. Step 3, it's time for you to analyze and place your order. So you can review your charts and technical indicators in order to decide if you are supposed to buy or sell. So remember, buying simply means that you are expecting or speculating that the price is going to go up, and if you sell, it means that you are speculating that the price is going to go down. And if either of these two options goes, or the market goes in your direction, you're actually going to profit. But if it goes against you, then you are going to lose money. So you enter your position size. Remember, the minimum is 0.01 lots for most instruments and 1 lot for stocks. So you set your take profit and stop loss levels, and this is highly recommended for risk management. You click buy or sell to execute. So the next thing you want to do is to monitor your position. So your position is actually going to appear where we have TradFi portfolio, and then you are going to see your entry price, the current price, position size, and unrealized profit and loss, which is P&L. You can be able to add or modify, you can take profit, and you can stop loss at any time. And then to close your trade immediately, all you have to do is to click on close, and you can choose if you want to partially close the trade or if you want to close everything. Once you are done with that, you click on confirm. So pro tip, make sure you start with a very little amount of money and understand how exactly TradFi works. So if you use up to 500x leverage, this simply means that it's actually going to be moving very fast, be it profit or loss. So now here's the part where I need to be completely honest with you about the risk involved, because TradFi trading is not for everyone. Risk number 1, extreme leverage equals extreme speed. With leverage up to 500x on Forex and indices simply means that your profits and losses are being amplified by 500 times. So this simply means that you can make money extremely fast and you can lose money even faster. A 0.2% movement against you while using 500x leverage means extreme liquidation. This simply means that at this point your account is blown, and many beginners get wiped out using high leverage. If you are new, start with lowest leverage available or avoid high leverage products altogether. Risk 2, overnight financing fees. Unlike crypto perpetual futures where funding can be positive or negative, TradFi overnight fees are always a cost. If you are a long-term holder, these fees eat up into your profits. Risk 3, opportunity cost. This is the big one that many people don't talk about. When you allocate capital to TradFi products, you are not allocating it to crypto. And historically, crypto has massively outperformed traditional assets. Let me show you some numbers. Swiss franc, one of the strongest fiat currencies, lost 86% of value versus Bitcoin in 5 years. US dollar, which is considered the global reserve currency, lost 88% of value versus Bitcoin in 5 years. Gold lost 85% of value versus Bitcoin in 5 years. S&P 500, in 5 years, Bitcoin up 744%, S&P up only 100%. In 10 years, Bitcoin up over 35,000%, gold up only 260%. This doesn't mean you shouldn't trade TradFi products, but you should ask yourself, is trading Forex or gold the best use of my capital, or would I be better off holding just Bitcoin or high quality altcoins? Risk number 4, market closure gaps. Unlike crypto which trades 24/7, trade markets do close. Major news can happen over the weekend, causing a huge price gap when the market reopens on Monday. Your stop loss might not protect you if the market gap passed your stop level. Risk number 5, this is speculation and not ownership. So you have to remember you are trading CFDs. You don't own the actual stocks, gold, or currencies. This is pure price speculation. In worst case scenario where the platform has issues or certain regulatory situations, you have no claim to underlying assets. So how do you use Gate TradFi? All you have to do is to update your app to the latest version and then restart the application. Then you log into the app and then you select TradFi. Tap the navigation and get started. First time trading guide. Go to Gate TradFi, complete KYC and enable TradFi permissions. Deposit USDT, choose an asset, and then you start trading. If you've been watching the news lately, you know precious metals are making wild swings every single day, and traders are either making fortunes or missing out. Gate TradFi gives you the opportunity to catch these moves. Head over to the metal section in your Gate TradFi account. You will see 3 major precious metals ready to trade. You are going to see gold, silver, and platinum. And this is where it gets really exciting. All these 3 support up to 500 leverage. So what does this mean for you? if you are able to analyze the market and you initiate a trade, just 1% move in your direction, you are already 500% up in profits. With this, your profits are amplified by 500 times so as your risks. That is why you need to observe proper risk management. That is basically everything you need to know about Gate TradFi. If you found this video helpful, smash the like button and hit on the subscribe button to subscribe for more crypto related and TradFi videos like this one. So do well to drop your comments below telling me if you are going to try TradFi or you are just going to stick to pure crypto. As for me, I think I want to be trading the FX market using Gate TradFi. Remember to use the link in the description of this video to sign up to receive an exclusive welcome bonus of up to $5,000 in USDT. Don't forget to share this video with your friends and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.